Question number 14. This will take some time. I cannot finish it in 1 minute, I think. Ray of light enters from air to water droplet. Okay, this is the incident ray. It falls onto this. It gets refracted. Goes like this. So they are given some angle over here. The first thing in this is that where you see this. What kind of angle is this? Okay, that's what we need to look at. So this angle, if I produce this one backward like this, what is this now? This is nothing but a normal to the circle, right? The radius will be, say for example, whenever you want to study about refraction, what do? You need to have, this is your surface, a ray of light falls onto it, and then you put a normal over here. First draw the surface, then draw the normal. How do you draw the surface here? The surface is nothing but tangent to the point at which the incident ray is incident here. Okay, so therefore this would be the surface. When this is the surface, perpendicular is this one here. So this will become your angle of incidence. When this becomes your angle of incidence, this becomes your angle of refraction. So therefore what is given here is your angle of refraction, and r is the length over here. Now if I drop this line here, the length of this line is h over here. Now he is asking you what is sin theta. In our words, what do you mean by sin theta here? Sin theta is nothing but sin r, right? Sin r, because r is the angle of refraction, not this r. Okay, so actually this should be your angle of refraction, right? So therefore this is your angle of refraction. You need to get this value here. Now by Snell's law we know that 1 into sin I is equal to n into sin r, right? Here what I will do, instead of r I will put this as theta, and this is as n into sin theta. Okay, therefore sin theta, what is sin theta, is equal to sin I divided by n. That's what we have here. Now coming back to this, can we use this pattern? No, we cannot use this pattern here. See, we get n everywhere over here. 2 n's are here. So definitely these two cannot be the correct. Amongst this, one of them should be correct. Okay, let us see this also. Now, if this angle is I over here, see, this is a traversal. This is a traversal which goes between two parallel lines over here, right? So if this angle is I, this angle should also be an I. If this is angle I, this is angle I, then from here I can now write sin I, okay, is equal to h divided by r. See, look at this right angle triangle. Let me label this as O, this is A, and this is S over here. OAS, you see, sin angle is equal to h by hypotenuse, which is r. Now let us substitute this, which should be h by nr. Okay, h by nr, which is the right answer? H by nr, C is the right answer. Okay.